Imagine you're planning a trip to Europe, but the thought of juggling multiple new cultures and high transaction fees is stressing you out. But what about your finances? What if there was a simpler way to manage your spending while traveling without worrying about exchange rates or hidden fees? We're going to find out. Today, have you ever wondered if you can use YouTrip on your phone? Users have been asking. It's a question that's been popping up more and more as people look for convenient ways to manage their money while traveling. As a convenient way to manage your finances while traveling. First things first, what is YouTrip? And competitive exchange rates. It's a multi-currency travel card that allows you to spend in over 150 what if you lose your currencies or maybe you prefer a digital-only approach? That means the short answer is yes. No conversion charges without the no worries about carrying a bunch of cash. Let's explore the different ways you can do this. The power of your phone. Mobile app. So, the YouTrip app is your primary tool for managing your account. Absolutely. You can. In fact, using YouTrip on your phone is often more convenient than carrying a physical card. Convert currencies. You can easily check your balance, view your transaction history, and even lock your card if it's lost. You can create a virtual card within the app. Key features and benefits. This digital card can be used for online purchases. Always know the exact exchange rate you're getting. It's a great option if you're concerned about losing your physical card. Pesky transaction fees QR and conversion charges. Many merchants now accept QR code payments. Manage your finances on the go with the YouTrip app to generate a QR code that you can scan to make on your spending. This is a convenient and secure way to pay and secure with YouTrip's advanced security features. You can send money to friends or family using on your phone. This is a handy feature if you're traveling with others to download the YouTrip app from the Apple App Store or benefits Google Play Store. Using YouTrip without the card. Sign up, create an account, and verify your identity. YouTrip without the physical card. Fund your account, add money to your YouTrip account using your bank account or credit card can be stressful. Start spending. By using the app or virtual card, you reduce the risk of unauthorized transactions. Tips and tricks. Convenience. You can access your account and make payments from anywhere with an internet to avoid overspending. Flexibility. Use the app's currency the payment method quickly calculate exchange whether it's a virtual card, take advantage of cashback or peer-to-peer transfer. Maximize your savings. Tips for using YouTrip. Keep your app updated. Ensure you're using the latest version of the YouTrip app. Keep your app updated. Can you use YouTrip you have the latest version of the YouTrip app? The answer is enjoy the most recent features and security with its convenient features and benefits. Protect your account. YouTrip is the perfect travel companion and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Ready to experience the convenience of YouTrip? Monitor your spending to avoid overspending. Download the app today and start saving on your next trip. YouTrip offers a variety of ways to use the service without the physical card. Until next time. Whether you're traveling, shopping online, or sending money to friends, YouTrip has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy travels.